Hello everyone, my name is Ian Bersenitsal and I will be discussing this topic called exactly. Exactly has the form of mxy dx plus nxy dy equals 0. But it cannot be put in the form of a of x dx plus b of y dy equals 0. If the derivative of n with respect to y equals to derivative of n is in respect of x, then the given dE is exact. To find the general solution of an exact dE is fxy equals c, which can be obtained by these two formulas. Fxy equals integration of mxy dx plus g of y, or fxy is equals to integration of nxy dy plus g of x. In solving fxy, we will use these two relationships. Derivative of f with respect to x is equal to mxy, and derivative of f with respect to y is equal to nxy. So that's it. So now we have our problem. 2x plus y dx plus x plus 3y dy equals 0. First thing to do is to find the m and the n. I'm just gonna write it down. So the next step is to use this formula to find if the given d is exact. So this is m. To differentiate m with respect to y, this is 1. So next is n. Differentiate n with respect to x. So this will become number 1. As you can see, these two dE is exact. So now we will use this formula and just write the notes on the formula. So this is m. I'm just gonna write it down. Now we will integrate this and so this is the result. Why it is x squared? Because we will use the power formula. This is how you solve it. Cancel this and cancel this so that the remaining one is x squared. So the next step is we'll be using this formula. So to find to differentiate dy in here, there's no y in x squared, so this will be constant. And here there's y in xy, so the remaining variable is x. The next one is plug in the formula. Your nxy is here. So the next step is to transpose x into here. So the remaining one is 3y, and you will be integrating these two. And now this will be equals to g of y equals 3 over 2 y squared plus c. So we have our value on g of y, so we'll be plugging it in here. So x squared plus xy plus, copy this, plus c. So to get the general solution, is just to rewrite this and this is the final solution, answer.